I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, smooth, sleek bun on my practice head today. I've just spritzed the hair really well with my Style and Care lotion. And then you'll be ready to start creating the style. You don't necessarily need a curl for this style, but you do need to get the hair smooth and sleek. So whether you do that with the straighteners or with the tongs, that's optional. We want it to be smooth and sleek, but we also want it to have a little bit of movement. So for this one, she doesn't have a part, I'm just bringing everything back. Any kind of hint of a flyaway hair, you can use your Silhouette Style and Care lotion to smooth that down. And then we're going to get a section of hair here, keeping it smooth. And we'll put a little twist in this hair here. You could even use some of your structure cream. A little twist. Just so we've got to get a kind of bit of movement, especially because the hair is all one colour. Hold the hair in position with your finger, and once you know that one finger's holding all secure, you can slip your bobby pin just underneath your finger and then the hair will hold in position. So I've brought one section around and now I'm going to bring this other side here around. Let's bring this around and create another little twist here. Hold that hair with your finger. Slide your bobby pin in position. And then the hair will hold. And then we'll bring this piece around here. Make sure it's smooth. Create another little twist. And secure. Now we want to hold everything in with an elastic band here. Now I'm making this style kind of smooth and sleek. But if you wanted to, you could make this a really kind of pretty textured style as well. Smooth out the hair. And let's create a perfectly kind of twisted little knot. Now you might have to play with the hair a little bit and see which direction it wants to go in. Get the hair, pull it to one side, kind of holding it with my finger and taking the other hair back over to the other side. And you can just use a little strong hairpin to just help to hold it in position. And luckily for us, we have our ponytail underneath here, so it's all going to hold beautifully. And you're just using these pins as a prop first of all. And I brought this bit under and I bring that around and over the top. It's actually surprisingly secure. It really doesn't feel like it's going to move anywhere. Pop that hairpin in just to hold it into place. So as you pop the pins in, what you can do, try and keep them parallel to the hair so that actually what we will be able to do when that's just hitting that hairband, which is what I want, that's it. So what we will be able to do once we're happy with the shape of it, we can just push those hairpins into the hairstyle. When you push them in, you almost want to be able to feel for a little bit of resistance. That's it, you want it to feel like it is going into something. We can come back and push those pins in to the style to hold everything in position. Providing that the right angle, that is, so you don't want them to be visible. It's a little bit low on that side, you can just lift and nudge and pop a bobby pin in there just to keep it all balanced. So just going to lift it up on this side here, pop that bobby pin in, push up, and it will just lift the hair up a little bit so it's a little bit more balanced. A little bit of flyaway hair left just here, so let's tuck that away, hide that with a bobby pin. And we've got our beautiful, smooth, sleek, low bun, still with a little bit of movement, but lovely and secure and very pretty. A couple of sparkles and we'll be finished.